A butterfly flaps its wings in one part of the world, and a hurricane forms on the other side. This metaphor may sound like fantasy, but it captures the essence of one of the most fascinating concepts in chaos theory, the butterfly effect. At its core, this idea highlights how even the smallest actions can lead to significant, unforeseen consequences over time. The term butterfly effect was popularized by meteorologist Edward Lorenz in the early 1960s. While running weather simulations on a primitive computer, Lorenz noticed something surprising. Small changes in the initial conditions, like rounding off a decimal, led to dramatically different outcomes. In essence, a tiny difference at the start of a process could lead to major, unpredictable changes down the line. Lorenz used the metaphor of a butterfly's wing flap to illustrate this idea. The small disturbance created by the flap could theoretically alter air currents, triggering a chain reaction that might eventually influence global weather patterns. While this is more of a thought experiment than a literal truth, it perfectly conveys the concept that small changes can produce massive ripple effects. One of the most famous applications of the butterfly effect is in weather forecasting. Because small environmental changes can have such large impacts over time, predicting long-term weather patterns is notoriously difficult. Even with today's advanced technology, tiny, unmeasurable factors can throw forecasts off course. This is why predicting the weather accurately beyond a few days remains such a challenge. The butterfly effect also applies far beyond weather science. In fact, it can be seen in virtually every aspect of life. Think about a single decision, choosing to take a different route to work, meeting someone by chance, or making a seemingly minor choice. These small actions can lead to outcomes you never anticipated. A different route might lead to meeting a lifelong friend. A chance encounter could spark a life-changing opportunity. These cascading events illustrate how life is filled with unpredictable twists and turns. The idea has also been explored extensively in popular culture. Movies like The Butterfly Effect, 2004, dramatize how small changes in the past could radically alter the present. Time travel stories often hinge on this concept. Alter one small detail in history, and the entire future might change. It's a theme that taps into our fascination with how different our lives could be based on seemingly insignificant choices. But while the butterfly effect emphasizes the potential for chaos and unpredictability, it also carries a message of hope and empowerment. If small actions can have far-reaching effects, then positive actions, no matter how minor, can also make a big difference. A kind word, a simple act of generosity, or a decision to help someone in need could set off a chain reaction of positivity that spreads far beyond what we can see. The concept also invites reflection on our interconnectedness. Every action we take influences the world around us in ways we may never fully understand. This interconnected web of cause and effect means that our choices matter, not just for us, but for others as well. Ultimately, the butterfly effect is a powerful reminder of life's complexity. It shows us that the world is not a simple, predictable place, but rather a dynamic, ever-changing system shaped by countless small factors. While we can't control every outcome, we can be mindful of our actions and how they might contribute to the world in unexpected ways. So what do you think about the butterfly effect? Have you ever experienced a small action that led to major, unexpected consequences? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you enjoy diving into life's most fascinating concepts, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.